For today's game mga kaigan, try natin tong gamitin si Nolan sa ranked game. So tara, panoorin nyo kung gaano kasakit ang Nolan ngayon guys.
Yet another world.
Ikatagal naman lubas ng farm.
Experience the void.
So dito pala guys, una kong binubuo dito ang Blade of Heptasis. Tapos syempre, kailangan natin ng blue form dito. At yun ang kailangan ni Nolan ng blue form. So yun, yung tank nila dito, naligaw. Ayan. So kailangan natin bigyan yan. So ayan na nga, nabigyan na natin si Tigreal.
Galing ha?
First blood mga kaigan.
Coordinates set.
So dito, yung MM nila playing safe. Ayaw lumabas. Pag lumabas ka, may tama ka.
Time for action.
Paano masabi?
Dito sa part na to, mabibigyan na natin si Tigreal. So yan, panoorin nyo. At dito din sa part na to, mabibigyan din tayo guys.
I won't
So ayan,
tolerate ignorance.
muntik ka sana makatakas, bumalik pa kasi. Ayan tuloy, na pala. Yan guys, pag Nolan talaga ang gamit nyo, kailangan nyo talaga ng blue
felt
buff.
the warm embrace of a newborn star.
Dito, nagkakagulo na sa mid, so kailangan natin bumack up. At yun na nga, nabigyan natin sa Tigreal. Next ko dito nabigyan mga kaigan, yung core nila. Ayan. So after nyan, magta-turtle na ako. So makukuha namin yung first turtle.
Such
Nakuha ko na yung first turtle. So ito si Tigreal, makulit eh. So kailangan bigyan na rin natin to.
how
At dito sa
disappointing.
part na to makaka-double kill tayo guys. Okay, double kill.
Nice.
You will learn in time.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Kinuha ko na rin dito yung blue buff nila.
Is this hopeless wish all I have left to cling to? Coordinates set.
Enemy has been slain.
Syempre, hindi dapat puro kill tayo mga kaibigan. Kailangan din natin mag-push.
Home seems more distant to me.
So yun, masakit ang tower nila guys.
Ally has slain.
I would splinter my soul 1,000 more times
Request backup.
for a chance.
At dito, makukuha ko naman ulit yung turtle. So yun na nga, nakuha ko na yung turtle, mga kaigan.
I won't tolerate ignorance.
Your team destroyed the turret.
Yung MM nila dito sa part na to walang kasama. Kaya bigyan na natin yung evergreen.
How disappointing.
An enemy has been slain.
And as a
Team
father,
killing spree. Monster kill.
she is the beacon that keeps me steadfast on the path.
Ang
Oblivion.
kulit ng core nila dito guys. Ayan. Sobrang kulit ng core nila. Ayan tuloy. Nabigyan tayo.
A slight miscalculation. Never fear death. As a scientist and as a father.
An enemy has been slain. You have slain an enemy.
You will learn in time.
So yun, dito sa part na to guys, nag-live tayo. Dito natin, nakukuha natin yung first blood mga kaigan. So yun na nga, nakuha na natin yung first blood.
Lord.
Even the stars burn out.
Has been slain.
I have wandered countless universes, but Eruditio will always be home. Oblivion.
Sobrang kulit talaga dito ng core nila guys. Yan tuloy, nabigyan na naman tayo dito guys.
Been slain.
Light miscalculation.
Our turret has been destroyed.
I have become accustomed to the cold, loneliness of the void.
Attack the Lord.
Coordinates set. Fracture.
Dito guys, muntik na naman tayo mabigyan dito. Ayan.
Time for action.
Ally has been. An enemy has been slain.
Buti na lang bigas tayo guys.
Run.
An enemy has been slain. Attack the Lord.
Without my little star to guide me, I would have been lost long ago.
Gather on the Lord.
Muntik na ako mabigyan dito ng load mga kaibigan. Buti lang dumating yung
Fracture.
Ally has slain.
Time.
dito sa part na to guys.
You've
Nainis
lost.
ako dun sa Dairot kasi kinuha niya yung blue buff ko.
Sorry.
Every step comes at a cost.
Kaya napa-message na lang ako ng Quisit. Need ko yun.
Bahala ka sa buhay mo.
An enemy has been slain.
Kaya dito, sumugod na yung kasunod ko. Ayan. Kaya nabigyan ako, guys.
Failure brings enlightenment. I have wandered countless universes, but Elysium will always be my home.
Your team destroyed an enemy has been slain.
Such ingenuity.
An enemy has been slain. Unstoppable!
It's only death.
Launch
Escape
attack!
is futile. Oblivion.
Ayan na nga mga kaigan, dito sa part na to, tinapos na namin yung game. So yun, ganun lang kadali mga kaigan.